How are you all? Well, sounds good. Looks to see everybody here. Well, now the thing is that without wasting the time, I'm just moving towards the presentation of the day. So we don't have enough time to waste out all the things today to discuss the different things. So I have choose some people in the previous class. If they guys are connected right now, so kindly write down yes in the comment. I'm going to open up the mic of that people. The guy should write down present instead of saying yes. जिन लोगों के नाम मैंने पिछले सेशन में 6 लोगों को सिलेक्ट किया था, अगर वो 6 के 6 लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं, मुझे कमेंट में प्रेजेंट लिखेंगे। वो मुझे कमेंट में वो तमाम लोग जिन्हें मैंने चूज किया था, यस कोई नहीं कहेगा, मुझे कमेंट में प्रेजेंट लिखेंगे ताकि मुझे पता हो वो कौन कौन लोग थे। फाइन, इट्स आरोश, सैम, मुकद्दस एंड अमीर हमजा। ठीक है, इन 4 के अलावा 6 लोग थे, बाकी 2 लोग कहाँ पे? अरोश, सैम, अमीर हमजा एंड मुकद्दस। ओके, फरजाना शरीफ। फरजाना आपको भी सिलेक्ट किया था मैंने, आर यू श्योर? ओके जी, सो लेट्स टेक अ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आरोश अली। मैं बिल्कुल टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी जी। मैं बार बार आप 6 लोगों को जिनका मैंने उस दिन नाम लिया था, जिनके आज दोबारा से नाम ले रही हूँ। Once again, I'm saying that all the rules and regulation will remain same. That's very important to open the camera. Second thing is that that's very important to speak something in the fluent way. Next thing is what you are going to get this notification just after 2 minutes, और उसके बाद पहली पहली अटेम्प्ट में ही आपने काइंडली अपना माइक अनम्यूट कर लेना है। टाइम को वेस्ट नहीं करना। मैं 3 दिन तक चिल्लाती रहूं कि जी 3 दिन क्या 3 घंटे ही डेफिनेटली, हालांकि 30 मिनट्स का सेशन है, मगर आप 30 बार मुझे कहने पे मजबूर करते हैं कि माइक ओपन कर लें, एक्सेप्ट कर लें। तो काइंडली एक बार में ही जैसे मैं आपको अनम्यूट करती हूँ उसे एक्सेप्ट करें और फटाफट यहाँ पे आ जाएं। सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम आरोश। सो आरोश, एक्सेप्ट द नोटिफिकेशन काइंडली।
Ma'am, I have
ओके
accepted.
Okay, Ji, fine. Happy to see you, Arosh. Yes. So, are you ready to speak something on the topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come on. That's your turn now.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arush, and today I'm going to tell you about myself. I am studying in class 8, and my age is 13. Uh, uh, I started my preschool at the age of 4, and uh, I continued my studies from DHA Senior School for Girls, and then I left the school and then continued from Ibn Sina. My father's name is Muhammad Ali. My mother's name is Homa Ali. I have one brother Hadi Ali and one sister Ramin Ali. Thank you.
Okay, and what's about your aim? What you want to be?
I want to be a software engineer.
Why? Yes.
Because I am inspired from someone.
Who is that someone?
My mamu.
Okay, and what are you thinking? To choose the this field is okay for your future. Being a girl, you thought that if you become a software officer, whatever you're choosing, so you thought that the grace or the success your uncle got, you got the same thing.
Yes.
Okay, so my next question to you, what exactly the topic you're going to present it today?
I am presenting the topic for myself or my biography.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Arosh. Thank you. You can close your camera now. Yes, moving towards to the next candidate. Yes, come on. Those I have selected, kindly write down present. ये तरीका होता है जी आने का। आप आए confidently चीजों को face out करें. Why you are worried about it? That is exactly that's I want. I need that kind of people. Whatever your age is, whatever your experiences, you just must have the confidence to face the people. अभी भी आपके सामने इस वक्त 40 लोग इस बच्ची को सुन रहे थे कम से कम, but she just try to speak it up. So don't try to be like that कि I couldn't do. So that's very important. Yes. Who will be the next? कहाँ हैं जी बाकी 6 लोग? आरोश का हो चुका है. Now moving towards to the Sam. Yes, Sam, I'm going to unmute you. Come on, accept the notification. Come here and present yourself. That what's about your biography? Yes, Sam. Open your webcam, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm starting with the name of Allah, who is the King of Kings and Lord of Lords in this universe. First of all, thanks for my respectable teacher who gave me opportunity to present my biography in front of 50 to 60 people. My name is Samiullah and my nickname is Sam. I'm from FR Kohar tribal area, but I since 15 years live in Peshawar. The reason is that we are living in Peshawar. One of that my father job is in Peshawar, and the next is we belong to FATA area, ex-FATA. In 2008 and 2009, the FATA area like Waziristan, Dara Adam Khel, the terrorists spread the terrorism everywhere. So that's why we move to the cities areas, because we want to education. So for that purpose, we came to Peshawar. I'm done my matriculation in 2014, and after that, I done my FSc education in Fizaya Degree College 2014. Now, recently, I am a graduated graduated from Agriculture University in BS Computer Science. My specialty is web designing and web development. And now, recently, I'm also working in cryptocurrency trade marketing. So cryptocurrency trade marketing, my skill is web designing, and I'm also working a YouTube. I'm running YouTube channel. My hobbies is traveling, and my hobby I love traveling, and I visit a lot of cities and new places. I'm also the journey of traveling. I'm starting when I was 16-year-old. I'm visiting a lot of cities like Lahore, Karachi, and a lot of time spent in Islamabad and Murray. I love in this every place. I love Kumrat. Kumrat is the natural beauty, very amazing and very beautiful places in Kumrat. And so I also visited Kalam, Naran Kagan, a lot of city. And in my life, my goal is in my life two goals is the midterm goal is when midterm goal is that I become a web developer in ESP.NET MVC. I'm also working a web development in ESP.NET MVC. And the future goal is that when uh, when I want my family put my hand in everything and I can buy easily. And the next goal in my life, the next goal is that I want every corner or in Pakistan, I want to spend the time. And in this journey, I'm starting when I was 16. And so in Pakistan, 60 to 70% places I visited. And thanks, that's my biography.
Very good, very good. So nice of you, Sam. Very love to see you and very love to listen to you. That how you guys are. You just try to actually explain yourself about your habits, about your passion, about your own experience regarding the thing. So that's very awesome, Sam. I have a one question right now. Do you have any fear when you start speaking? Like you know very well that many of the people is listening you right now. You are going to communicate with a lot of people right now. You are connected. Do you have any fear in your heart right now? You thought that I am speaking something, maybe people start laughing at me or there is something wrong. What are you feeling right now? Can you please explain it to the audience?
My feeling is first time I'm nervous, and that after end my presentation, my feel is proudly when I present 50 to 60 people in
Okay,
front.
good. Very good, Sam. Thank you so much, Sam. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank
You
you.
can close your webcam. Thank you so much. So moving towards to the next candidate now, and the next candidate we have is it's a Mukaddas. Mukaddas, I'm going to unmute you now. Keep in mind, this is one of the loveliest activity. Don't feel any kind of fear in you right now. Just feel this thing and just come here and present yourself. Mukaddas Shafiq, it's your turn. Come on, accept the notification. Come here and present yourself. What you are going to talk about your own biography. Yes, Mukaddas.
Can everyone listen me?
We can listen you, but we couldn't see you.
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening,
Miss
everybody.
Mukaddas, you know very well that's a condition. You have to open your webcam. That's very important. Your webcam is closed right now.
Okay.
Yeah, carry on.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good evening, everybody. Myself Muqaddar Shafiq, and I am from
Good
district
evening.
Today, the topic of my presentation is all about humanity. And now I can start my presentation by saying a small quote. And the quote is that being a human is given, but keeping our humanity is a choice. And the second, if your humanity is still alive and active, you don't need any morality. But sometimes people put their humanity asleep and trying to behave like humanity with morality, and it's not working. Now I can share the basic concept of humanity. What is the humanity? So that humanity is the human race which includes everyone on the earth. And that why should we have humanity? Because the humanity is the basic and important part of life which tells that to help others, and we can feel and we can solve everyone problem uh, to look with our own eyes, and we can help the others by sharing some food and etc. And the third is that how do we show humanity? How we do show humanity? The first point is that treat everyone as equal, and the second point is that love love everyone as you would your family, friends, brothers, sister, and etc. Your close relationship. And the third, always look for this good in people, just like these are two sides to everybody, and we all have our good and the bad sides too. And but in Islam, what is humanity in our Islam? Humanity is we are all creation, and we are gifted by the God. So just that's why all our creation are created by equal by the creator, and no one is superior to another on the basis of his birth, trade, or family. And the Quran says that the Quran does not want people to deprive others of these rights because of their color, gender, or even religion. So thank you so much.
Okay, very good. My question to you is that, Muqaddas, let me know something. Like, you have done with the basic session. You are going to be the part of our advanced classes right now. You are going to present yourself today. What are you thinking? Being a presentationer, I must do this activity with the students. Like, what are you thinking? It's a good on the behalf of speaking, or no? It's not working. What are you saying about it?
No, ma'am, exactly, it's working, and
Okay.
it's my good experience.
Okay, now the question is that, like, when you're gonna close it up, so what should you suggest? Like, we should must give this chance to the student to come speak and with your camera, because we know that many of the 30 or the 40 students gonna look at us, and we should must be conscious about it. We must use some appropriate where we must prepare ourselves. Huh? So, being a presentationer, what are you feeling? That it's a good or a not? And if it is good, so what exactly the reason of feeling this thing? Can you please explain it?
Because it's my first experience to live, I can explain and I can express my presentation and my feelings. So I can feel happy, and I can feel I can feel better. I have increasing confidence, and it's looking good, I must say.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, Mukesh. Thank you. You can close your webcam now. Thank you so much for participating there. Yes, moving towards to the next candidate now. And the next candidate we have for the presentation is Amir Hamza, if I am not wrong. Yeah, it's Amir Hamza. Amir Hamza, moving towards to you now. Open your webcam, accept the notification, and come here.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Walaikum assalam.
How are you, everyone? Hope you are good. First of all, thank you, ma'am Adita, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Amir Hamza. I'm from Sargodha. My qualification is civil DAE. and my hobbies are traveling and taking gym, and I passed matric from Fauji Foundation School. When I passed matric, I entered college, and from there I did a diploma, and after completing my diploma, I started my own business. When I started my new business, I got into a dirty companies, and I because of that I lost 15 lakhs. My papa always used to forbid me to make some friends. Then I realized, and I worked hard, and
Hamza, kindly check your connection. We couldn't hear you, Hamza.
now Alhamdulillah, customers are from.
Hamza, can you speak something? I think your voice is not clear. I couldn't hear you properly, Hamza.
Ma'am, I think network is so weak.
Yeah, it's a better now. You can you speak something more? Yeah, it's a better. Yeah, carry on.
Mm, uh, no, ma'am. Now I'm done.
Okay, Hamza, my question to you is that as you are gonna tell me something about your business experience, that you have done some business and that was going to be loss or whatever the thing. Just let me know what exactly the biggest slap you got in your life and you thought that this is one of my turning point and I got something that was actually the changing point of my life. Have you ever faced this kind of things and you thought that this is what this is the thing that actually changed me?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Okay, can you guys listen me? Other people, can you please write down something in the comment? I'm just talking to all of you right now, the listener who is going to get that. Can you guys hear my voice properly? Okay, Amir Hamza, check it now. Can you hear me now? Everyone can hear me.
Yes, now I'm having.
Okay, am I audible to everyone? Fine. Okay, got. So Amir Hamza, my question
Oh,
to you is that let me know, have you ever got any slap in your life? Like a slap doesn't mean that somebody gonna kick you out. It doesn't mean for that. Slap means that there isn't any kind of turning point of your life. You thought that that event actually changed me. Any event of your life that happened, and you thought that this is one of my turning point. I just changed totally after that.
when I lost my
Hamza, you're fine. Don't move the device, otherwise it will irritate you.
no, ma'am. Actually, your voice is.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much, Amir Hamza. You can close your webcam. Fine. We don't have enough time more, so let's move towards to the next candidate. Amir Hamza, you can close your webcam. Thank you so much. Very good. So the next candidate we have is who it's a Farzana, if I am not wrong, isn't it? So let's move towards to the next candidate, Farzana. Farzana Sharif, I'm going to unmute you, accept the notification, come here with your webcam and present yourself that what exactly you have prepared. Farzana, your mic is still unmute, not mute, but please accept the notification. Yeah, it's okay now. Yes, Farzana. Present yourself, please. Farzana, we couldn't hear you. We couldn't hear you. Kindly check your mic. Your mic is open, but we couldn't hear your voice. Check your device. I think you are speaking something, but we couldn't hear you. I'm going to unmute you again. I'm going to unmute you again, Farzana. Yeah, you are unmuted. Anybody can listen Farzana's voice, please let me know. Because I couldn't hear. No one. Farzana, kindly check your device. Your voice is not working. We couldn't hear you. Check out your device, Farzana. What are you using right now? Okay, Farzana, fix your mic and device, and after that, let me know. I will open your mic and you will definitely continue. Yes, anybody else? Anybody else whom I use the name and that person is not still participating? कोई और ऐसा जो रह गया जी? Kindly write down present in the comment. Present लिखिए जी. फरजाना के अलावा कोई ऐसा बंदा जो रह गया हो अभी उसकी प्रेजेंटेशन थी. Sorry for what, Farzana. It's not working. आप चेक करें डिवाइस, कोई मसला नहीं है. We are waiting. जी, no one else. Okay. Now the question is that मैंने लास्ट प्रेजेंटेशन पे कहा था कि अगर कोई भी शख्स ऐसा है जो कि ऑन टाइम अपने आप को चाहता है कि मुझे चांस दिया जाए, वो भी प्रिपेयर कर ले, टाइम बचा तो हम उसको जरूर कनेक्ट करेंगे अपने साथ. Anyone from yourself, कोई भी ऐसा जो कि चाहता हो कि या चाहती हूँ कि मुझे चांस दिया जाए, आई विल स्पीक राइट नाउ ऑन द सेम टॉपिक, या आप अपनी मर्जी से भी किसी टॉपिक पे बात कर सकते हैं. जी, कोई है ऐसा तो मुझे जल्दी से कमेंट में प्रेजेंट लिखेंगे, और अगर नहीं है तो मैं अपनी बात पे वापस आ रही हूँ. ओके आलिया, आ जाए, कोई मसला नहीं है. What's about you, Nazia Khan? Why don't you participate in anything? Alia Asif, I'm going to unmute you. Kindly accept the notification and come here. Hurry up. But keep in mind, you have to fulfill all the requirements that we have selected. अच्छा जी, अभी हमारे सामने अभी तक के 4 प्रेजेंटेशनर्स आए हैं. हमारे सामने सबसे पहले जो हैं वो आरुष थी, उसके बाद सैम, और उसके बाद जो है मुकद्दस, और इसके साथ साथ अमीर हमजा. ठीक है. दिस 4 people actually try to present their self. आपको पता है सबसे बड़ा मसला क्या होता है? अच्छा, ये जो 4 लोग हैं, ये 4 लोग जरा इस वक्त मैं इन चारों की अटेंशन चाहूंगी, और मैं चाहूंगी कि ये चारों जरा कमेंट में मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड रहें. क्या ये 4 लोग मुझे सुन रहे हैं इस वक्त? मुझे जरा यस बोलेंगे ये चारों. सैम, आरोश और मुकद्दस एंड अमीर हमजा. मुझे जरा कमेंट में यस बोलें कि क्या चारों आप तमाम लोग मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड हैं इस वक्त. ठीक है जी. जरा ये ऑडियंस को बताएं कि क्या ये फेयर जो आप लोग जिस वक्त हमारे साथ मसला पता है क्या होता है? हमें चांस नहीं दिया जाता. मैं अगर ये लेक्चर्स में इफ आई ट्राई टू स्पीक कॉन्टिन्यूसली, जैसे बेसिक के सेशंस में मैंने सब चीजें आपको पढ़ाई हैं, मैं एडवांस में प्रैक्टिकली चीजों को समझा के आप लोगों को मौका देती हूँ. कम ऑन, एंड आई विल बी द पर्सन हु गोना. जैसे कि आप देखें, सैम ने समीउल्लाह थे, सैम थे एग्जैक्टली, उन्होंने बोलते हुए बोला 2008 2009 हालांकि बोला, मगर क्या वो चीज हम लोगों में से किसी ने भी, हालांकि मुझे भी फील हुई, आपको भी बहुत सारे मिस्टेक्स और भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने की, मगर ये देखें एक बड़ी 2008 क्या बनता है, तो 2008 बोलते हैं, 2008 बोलते हैं, मगर उन्होंने लेकिन ये देखें कहीं भी उस शख्स का कॉन्फिडेंस लूज नहीं हुआ. वो चीजों को लेके चलता रहा. वो अपनी बात को याद रखिएगा, लैंग्वेज का सबसे मेजर टारगेट होता है आप अपनी बात को एक्सप्लेन कर दें, and at the same time you don't have any kind of fear, you don't have any kind of hesitation, you don't have the thing that the people will make a fun of your, don't have any kind of things in your mind कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहेंगे, या मैं सही अंग्रेजी ना बोली मैंने तो मुझे कत्ल कर दिया जाएगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. हालांकि अगर मैं बीइंग अ ट्रेनर चाहती, मैं उसी वक्त सैम को रोक सकती थी, मैंने जान के उनको नहीं रोका. I make him to continue just because he was moving with the flow. We couldn't drop it out. जरा आरोश, सैम और हमारे साथ हमजा और मुकद्दस, सिर्फ बाकी सारी बातें छोड़ दें. जब तक आप वेबकैम के सामने मेरे साथ कनेक्टेड थे वो एक अलग बात है. जैसे ही वेबकैम क्लोज किया, जैसे वो क्लोज के बटन पे टिक किया, एक लंबी सी सांस ली होगी ना, हाय शुक्र है यार टेंशन थी है कि प्रेजेंटेशन देनी है, इतने सारे लोगों ने सुनना है। उफ, शुक्र है हो गई। क्या ये वाली फीलिंग थी? क्या ये वाली फीलिंग तो थी ना सबकी कि यार जान छुटी? ऐसा हुआ था? मतलब वो अलग बात है, मेरे सामने सोफिस्टिकेटेड उस वक्त हो रहे थे, जी जी बहुत अच्छा है, ऐसे है वैसे है, आई नो आई कैन एक्सेप्ट इट। मगर मुझे ये बताएं कि वो जिस वक्त कैमरा क्लोज किया कि यार जान छुट्टी में अमरीका के जंगल से बाहर आए हम, उस वक्त कैमरे को क्लिक करते ही एक सुकून की सांस ली होगी ना करके, oh my god, that's take a long breath right now because we don't have any kind of fear more, we don't have any kind more thing. Yes miss, I have a 3 minutes more, I have to compile it up.
Yes, miss.
Okay miss, so that's a very important thing. आपको पता, डर उस वक्त तक लगता है जब तक हम वो काम नहीं कर पाते। जब हम काम कर जाते हैं ना, जब हम काम कर जाते हैं वो फेयर खत्म हो जाता है। ये याद रखिएगा, ये जो 4 बंदे आज है ना, जिन्होंने आज ये पेन लिया है, अब के बाद इन्हें किसी भी ट्रेनिंग पे बिठा दें आप, ये बोलने से कम 2 मिनट की बात होगी ना, कहेंगे यार मैं 40 बंदों के सामने बोल सकता था, तो मैं तो 50 के सामने भी बोल सकता हूँ, मैं तो 60 के सामने भी बोल सकता हूँ। मैं 60 के, मैंने देखो एक गलती भी की, मैं तो 70 के सामने भी बोलूंगा, मेरे लिए कौन सी बहुत बड़ी बात है। फेयर उस वक्त तक आएगा जब तक आप स्टेप नहीं लेंगे। मैंने उस दिन चीख के कहा डू पार्टिसिपेशन, मैं अभी भी कह रही हूँ जी, कम हेयर एंड स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन द सेम थिंग। आप बोलिए, खुद को चुप मत बिठाइए। जो लोग चुप बैठे हुए हैं ना इस वक्त अपने साथ ज्यादती कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको क्लियर बता रही हूँ। एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशन आप लोग ही होंगे जो कहेंगे हम लोगों ने, और ये देखिएगा ये 4-5 लोग जो लोग मसलसल पेन ले रहे हैं, जैसे कि उस दिन था जो कि पहली प्रेजेंटेशन में थी, वर्दा थी हमारे साथ, आलिया थी, और भी 2-3 लोग थे हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड थे उस वक्त भी, तो मेरे नाम जहन से स्किप हो गया। मगर आप ये देखिएगा ये वो लोग होंगे जिनको उस वक्त आप जरा फेस करें ना प्लीज, इस फेयर को फेस करें, थोड़ा सा डर लेने दें खुद को, कोई मसला नहीं, थोड़ा सा डरने दें। तो दैट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग कि डोंट ट्राई टू बी द पार्ट ऑफ दैट। डर की वजह से काफी चीजें स्किप हो गई नहीं जी, कोई मसला नहीं, आपने फिर भी यू डिड गॉड। होता है जी, सब कुछ होगा, कंफ्यूजन होती है, सबको होती है, कोई नई बात नहीं है। यू आर द पर्सन हु नेवर स्पीक दैट ना, और अगर बोला भी होगा तो कौन, कितने लोग आपको सुन लेंगे, कोई सुनने वाला नहीं होगा आपकी अंग्रेजी की। और इतने फोकस से बैठ के आप प्रेजेंटेशन दे, यूनिवर्सिटी कॉलेजेस में तो हम वैसे आपस में दोस्ती एक दूसरे का मजाक बना रहे होते हैं कि यार अच्छा ओहो इंग्लिश बोलोगे, हाँ आ जाओ यार, आ जाओ आ जाओ, आइए सर, एक्सक्यूज मी सर, यस योर टर्न प्लीज। वो हम आपस में एक दूसरे की कर रहे होते हैं, वो सीरियसनेस तो कहीं आती ही नहीं है। सो दिस इज द ओनली थिंग वे वी हैव द प्लेटफॉर्म, तो प्लीज ऐसा मत कीजिए, टेक दिस पेन, ये अभी का पेन आपको लाइफ टाइम के लिए रिलैक्सेशन देगा। डोंट ट्राई टू बी हेजिटेट, हम तमाम लोग यहाँ लर्नर्स हैं और हमें लर्निंग करनी है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट थिंग जी, वेरी गुड। आप तमाम लोग जितने भी इस वक्त जिन लोगों ने हमारे साथ प्रेजेंट किया, यू गाइस डिड सुपर, बड़ा मजा आया मुझे। जो गुस्सा था उस दिन का वो खैर आज खत्म हो गया क्योंकि आई वाज लाइक हाउ कैन दे डू दिस टू मी, बिकॉज दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क, हाउ कैन दे इग्नोर दैट थिंग। उन्होंने इतना इतना ज्यादा नॉन सीरियस इसको लिया, बट दैट्स वेरी सुपर जी, बहुत अच्छा आप चारों ने प्रेजेंट किया, और कीप ऑन, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग। और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट हमारी जो क्लास होगी उसमें हम मूव करेंगे अपने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ, जो कि हमारा है इंटरव्यू स्किल्स। पहले हमारी स्किल्स के ऊपर काम की जाएंगी, और बहुत अच्छी थी जी, सबकी बहुत अच्छी थी, दैट्स वेरी गुड, यू गाइस डिड वेरी सुपर्ब थिंग्स। और फिर उसके बाद इसी तरह से एक इंटरव्यू सेशन लाइव कंडक्ट किया जाएगा, जिसमें प्रॉपर्ली आप लोगों के लाइव इंटरव्यूज कंडक्ट किए जाएंगे। सबसे एंड में आपकी एक लाइव डीडी कंडक्ट की जाएगी। सो उसमें ये तमाम टारगेट्स आपके ही हैं, जितना हो सकता है प्लीज पार्टिसिपेट कीजिए स्पीकिंग के टास्क में। सो थैंक यू सो मच जी, सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट ऑफलाइन क्लास, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह की अमान, एंड यस श्योर श्योर, सो बारकल्लाह फी जी, जज़ाकल्लाह, थैंक यू सो मच।